Hello friends, thanks for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. So today we're going to learn MS Excel basic concept which we use daily in Excel. Let's start with the basic concept. As you see the screen right now, I have choose some basic concepts here. Selection tool, move tool, AutoFill option, merge and center, format painter, wrap text. So let's start with the selection tool. Okay, you can see I have written this word selection tool. Now when I take my cursor here, when I take my cursor in A6 cell, see, you can see here my cursor is here. What you see the icon here, this is called selection tool. The ambulance symbol what you see here, that is called selection tool. I'm going to select this, click and select 3 cell ABC. You can see now when I click on this A6, only A6 is selected. When I take my cursor, this is called selection tool. The ambulance symbol what you see here, that is called selection tool. Click and select the cell B and C and select towards down. You can see here I have selected the cell. So I have selected, the text is in A6, but I have selected B and 6 with 6 and 7 row. So after selection, what you have to do, we'll go for this option that is called merge and center. The merge and center is available in Home tab alignment ribbon. So I'm going to click on merge and center. When I click merge and center, you can see the text, it is merged now. And the selection tool, it is down. We want to bring it this center. Again, we are in the home tab. There is a one alignment ribbon. In the alignment ribbon, there is a word called alignment. So these are the alignments. I'm going to click on this alignment, but it is not in the center. I'm going to make it in the center. Let's click on this alignment. You can see here, I'm going to make this one center. The next part is, these are the tools, font ribbon. In the home tab, there are a font ribbon. With help of this all ribbon, we're going to format the selection tool cell. Let's format this. Same what you see your selection tool, the same way we're going to format. I'm going to use the background color. The color what I used here, I'm going to use the background color, the blue. And I'm going to use the text color, white. And change the font style. I'm going to change the font style. Now next is, I'm going to make it bold. I have made bold. Next, I'm going to increase the size of the text by clicking this big A, or you can go here. You can increase the size. You can see here how much you want, you can increase, or with help of these two, big A and small a, with this also you can increase and decrease the size. So this is done. You can see here when I typed the word selection tool, it was in A6 cell and the text was like black color. There is no formatting is done for that one. Now we did formatting for the selection tool, and we also used merge and center, and we did alignment also, but we have not done this format and the wrapping text. Okay, let us make a small table now. So I'm going to select this, Control C, copy, leave this 3 column. I'm going to paste it here, Control V, paste. Again, I'm going to leave this 3 column. Let me copy. Again, it's already copied. You can see here the what you see here, it's already copied. You can see here. Now paste. I have pasted here. Again, down also I'm going to paste it, and here I'm going to paste it again, and here I'm going to make it. Here again I'm going to paste it. You can see here, and escape. Press the escape button to deselect this. So you can see here we have deselected. The next part is, since we have selected all these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm going to change the word selection tool to move tool. Here I'm going to change again. Here also I'm going to change move tool. So instead of doing that again, the same method, I have copied and I have selected here. The next part here, I'm going to select here AutoFill Option. and here I'm going to write again. So I can write it or I can copy again this one, same thing. For now I'm going to write this AutoFill Option. The simple thing what we have to do is, there is already, we have this option. You can see here we have this is called Move Tool. The color is red. So what I can do, I can go here, I can go back to the background color, I can select the color, right? And this also autofill option. Click on this, I'll go back here. What is the color? We have green here. I have selected. The next part what we are going to learn is, we're going to learn Format Painter. What is this Format Painter? So we have done some formatting for the Move Tool as well as the autofill option. What is the formatting? We have changed the background color. Text anyhow we kept the same font style as well as the size. If you want you can increase here. You can see here this we have here 16, but this we have increased, but the color is different. So color I can go back again here, I can make it the color change, all those things option I can do. But whatever the font style, if I change the font style here, I'm going to change the font style. You can see here I have changed the font style. This font style has to be changed for this also. I can do the same thing again, same process I can do. But instead of doing that one, simple thing is Format Painter. I'm going to click on this and just there is a word called Format Painter in the Home tab. There is a Format Painter. Just click, you select the cell, this Move Tool, and click the Format Painter, and you can see there is a brush, and click on this Move Tool. So the whatever the format we have applied for the Move Tool, the same format we're going to apply for this one. Okay, let me change this font style. I'm going to keep the same font style. You can see here. Next, I have selected this. I'm clicking on Format Painter and click on this Move Tool. See here, we have applied. The same thing we can do it for the autofill option. Click on this, go back to the Format Painter and click on this Format Painter and click on this autofill option. It's a simple thing. We can use this Format Painter wherever we want. So what we have learned? We have learned the selection tool. The selection is nothing but the plus what you see right now. This is the selection tool. We can select whatever we want. Now let me select this. So this is what we are selecting now. What we have done, it's a selection. With the help of this ambulance symbol, what we done, you can see here this symbol. This is the selection tool. And after selection, we have done merge and center, Format Painter, but we have not done this Move Tool, autofill option for wrap text. Let us see that all. So the selection tool is done. We have selecting this. After selection, there is a borders. You can see here when I click on this borders, I'm going to click on the all borders. The border is applied. The border is applied. Now what I do, I'm going to select this selection tool. So now what I do, I'm going to select this part. I'm going to select this part. What we have learned? We have learned the merge and center, right? It is in the home tab. There is a merge and center. I'm going to click on the merge and center. You can see here we have merged complete. Whatever you have selected, we have merged complete area. Again, this also I'm going to merge. I'm going to select this first, then I'm going to merge it. So this is merge. Now here this is empty. Since it is empty, let me put my logo, my YouTube logo, copy, and I'm going to put it here, paste, and enlarge this one with the help of this option. Again, copy, paste. So always remember, when you insert something, the picture in the MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, remember always you'll get extra tool. That is nothing but extra tab. So right now you can see here we don't have extra tab, but as soon as I click on the picture, we'll get the extra tab that is called format. With the help of this format, we can format the picture. When I click on this format option, I'm going to make one more video for the formatting of images. Right now I'm not going to explain anything about this formatting. There's only one thing I'll show, that is called this option. Just I'm going to click on this. It's look good. Now you can see here we inserted one image, two images in the merge place. Actually it is merged now. The merge is there. Inside the merge we have inserted our logo. So when we started, it is just a one screen with this 6 options, but we started with the word selection tool and we have done one formatting now. Now the selection is nothing but, let us do the selection, move and autofill option now. Okay, let me write here AVI TECH-LEARN. So this is what I have written here, AVI TECH-LEARN. I'm going to select this. You can see here. I'm going to select this. Selected. Control C copy. And I'm going to select these cells. I'm going to paste it here. It is pasted. Right? It's pasted. Again, I'm going to select this. Whatever I want to form modification I can do with the help of the all these tools. I can bring it center. You can see I can bring it to center. Center. If you want to change only first, I'll change only AVI. I'm going to change it here, make it bold, change the font style. Why I'm repeating? So the beginners, those who don't know how to do this, it will help for them. That's why I'm repeating again and again all the tools. So I'm going to click any one of the text. I'm going to select the Cambria and the background color I'm going to select. Okay, let me select the background color. I'm going to select one background color. Okay, you can see this is one format now. I want to apply this format to any of the text here. Click on this, click on the format painter, and wherever I want, say example, I'm going to apply for this. You can see here the format painter is applied. Again, I don't want this part. Again, I can do undo also, or I can just click on this. This is also on format, right? Now when I click any one of the text here, click on the format painter. I don't want that. I can change that part. Right? I have done redo. So this is again click here, format painter. I can remove that. So this is called selection tool. Selection means we can select whatever we want. The plus symbol, the ambulance plus symbol is called selection tool. Let's come back to move tool. What is this move tool? Now, let me make this format painter. Click on this. Now we have here AVI TECH-LEARN. It is typed in the selection tool. I want to bring this complete text over here. Not copying text. We can do that. Selection, copy, Control C copy. We can bring it here, Control V paste. We can paste it easily. But I want to bring only few text whichever I want. That is also I can do the same thing. But what I do, will do that move text. I'm going to click here and just take here. You can see here there is a plus. It is changing from ambulance symbol plus to there is one more plus, right? Click and move the text wherever you want. So this is called move tool. I have moved completely the text from this cell to somewhere here. Again, let me move this tech. You can see here tech, click, and I'm moving wherever I want again. Let me take one learn, click, and I'm moving here. Let us arrange this. Click. I can move the text. Click. Move tool. I can move it. I can click move tool. I can move the text. So this is called move tool. I hope you people are getting what I'm saying here. The selection means we're going to select. The move means we're going to move the text wherever we want. We have the option, different option. We can cut the text. We can copy the text. We can do a lot of options in the Excel. But this is the basic tools. We should know this basics tool in Excel before we start working in Excel. Let's go back to our favorite option, that is called AutoFill option, where we can save our time when we are working in the numbers as well as the text. So the first option, AutoFill option. Now what we usually do, we'll type C example. We say the numbers, the people, those are new for this application, MS Excel, what they do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they're going to type something like this. So it's waste of time, right? So instead of typing this way, the numbers as well as the text, if you want, you can type that also. After typing 1, I'll take my cursor on the corner. You can see the plus option is coming. The first one is AutoFill option. The second one is move tool. And the last one is AutoFill option. When I take my cursor on the corner here, the plus symbol is coming. The black thin plus symbol is coming here. You can see the plus symbol, and click on this and drag towards down. See here, when I drag towards down, we are getting 1, 1, 1. But this is, we don't want this one, right? We don't want this. We want series wise 1 to 10. So, and there is an option called AutoFill option. Click on this AutoFill option. What we have done, the first option we have done, copy cell. The next option is fill series. When I click on the fill series, you can see here the series has changed, right? So this is one way of doing AutoFill option. The next method is, I'm going to type here 1, 2. Then I'm going to select this 1 and 2 and I can drag this. This is also one way. This is also one way of doing AutoFill option. The one more option is, I just type 1, right? I have typed 1 and take your cursor over there and say there is a 1 place now. Now what you have to do, you have to hold the control. Just hold the control, don't leave the control. When I press the control, you can see there is one more place just next to the big place, right? Now hold the control, click the mouse, don't leave your control, just drag towards top. See, this is also one way of doing autofill option. There is one more method of doing autofill option, filling the number. Just click 1. I'm going to do one more video for this fill series. There is a one word called series. So this complete, I'm going to do one more video for this one. Now I will show you only one option in this one. After typing 1, it is row, right? We are doing row wise, not column wise. Sorry, we are doing column wise, right? So I'm going to click on this column. We are in the column, right? Column and the linear method. So 1 to 10. I want 1 to 10. Sorry, it is written 12. 1 to 10 and click OK. You can see here we got 1 to 10. So these are the options we have learned in the. So over here, what we have done? We have done selection tool. We have learned move tool. We have learned autofill option. We have learned even the merge. We have learned even the format painter. What about the wrap text? The wrap text is nothing but, as you see your autofill option, it is autofill for this. We have merged and actually we have merged this cell, this 3 column we have merged. But I can bring this word option down just below the autofill. How to do that one? Just select this. Just click on this wrap text. You can see there I'm bringing that word option down and just increase the size of this to row. Literally you just increase, just take the mouse, increase this. We can do other way also. I'm going to teach you that also in other video. So this we can do it. You can see autofill option. So same method, again click on this, go back to the format painter. Since we have done the wrap text, click on this autofill option. So it has come for this also. Just double click. Again for this also, if you want to do, click on this wrap text. Again we can bring it towards this side. So this is called selection tool, move tool and the autofill option. When we started, it is just a text. Afterwards we have typed this, we have done the selection tool, we did the format painter, we did merge cell, we did even the wrap text. Please do like and share the video if you like. I'm going to teach you the basic concept first, then we'll move one by one with advanced concept. Thank you very much for joining AVI TECH-LEARN. See you all.